Also Flagge eine Richtung, Flagge andere Richtung. Dazu einhändig und Diablo. Dazu Switch Sense Airtypes, Borg, E-Slider, Chachu, Clue First, Puneta, ein bisschen Ponch und Release-Varianten. Hi, I'm Andre from Germany. I arrived right now from the water. I have a good surfing session and I am here on the roof in the Ipanema bar in Jacuzzi. I decided to go to El Yaque because all the good guys like Ricardo, Cheo, Alexis, Gollito, Remko, they train here, and I think the best way to get good is to train with these good sailors.
I'm feeling alright, feeling alright. Je suis très bien, je suis très bien. I'm feeling alright, feeling alright.
Yeah, finally after the 6 months, it was a great success for me, and after this month I would say I come back next year for the winter again to prepare myself for 2005, and in 2005 my main goal is to compete PWA.
So